Reading the Bible can be a deeply personal and spiritual experience. I want to share some steps and tips to help you approach reading the Bible. Stay tuned until the end for some important tips that will help. First, the Bible is available in many translations. Choose one that you find readable and understandable. Popular translations include the New International Version, English Standard Version, New Living Translation, and King James Version. Next, set a purpose. Decide why you are reading the Bible. Are you seeking spiritual growth, historical knowledge, literary enjoyment, or moral guidance? Your purpose can shape how you approach your reading. Find a good starting point. In the New Testament, many people start with the New Testament, beginning with the Gospels like Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John to learn about the life and teachings of Jesus Christ. Or in the Old Testament for a chronological approach, start with Genesis. And for wisdom literature, read Psalms or Proverbs. Then create a reading plan. Having a structured plan can help maintain consistency. There are various reading plans available, like chronological reading plan. Read the Bible in the order events occurred. A topical reading plan where you can focus on specific themes or topics. A 1-year reading plan where you read a portion each day to complete the Bible in a year. Pray for understanding. Many believers start their Bible reading with a prayer, asking for insight and understanding. This can help you stay spiritually focused and receptive. Read and reflect. Take your time. Don't rush. Reflect on the meaning of the passages. Context is key. Understand the historical and cultural context of the passages. Ask questions. Consider what the passage says about God, humanity, and how it applies to your life. Use study tools. Study Bibles often include notes, commentary, and cross references. Commentaries provide detailed explanations and interpretations. Bible dictionaries and concordances are useful for understanding specific terms and finding passages. You can join a study group. Participating in a Bible study group can provide support, diverse perspectives, and deeper insights through discussion and shared learning. Keep a journal. Write down your thoughts, questions, and reflections as you read. This can help you process and remember what you've learned. Then, apply what you read. Consider how the teachings and stories can be applied to your daily life. The Bible is often seen not just as a book to read, but as a guide to living. Read regularly. Consistency is more important than quantity. Even a few minutes each day can be beneficial. Be patient. Some parts of the Bible can be difficult to understand. Give yourself time to learn and grow. Seek guidance. If you're struggling, don't hesitate to ask a knowledgeable friend, pastor, or mentor for help. By approaching the Bible with an open heart and mind, and by using these methods, you can gain a deeper understanding and connection with its teachings. God bless you, and don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell to get alerts when I upload new content. God bless you, and enjoy the rest of your day.